Want to know how to change the messenger ringtone? You would want to change the messenger ringtone if you use multiple messaging apps, as changing the messenger ringtone helps to differentiate notification from different platforms. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to change messenger ringtone. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the messenger app on your screen. Now tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on the settings icon. Likewise, under the preferences section, tap on the notification and sound option. Similarly, under the notification preference section, you can see the ringtone option. Tap on it. Finally, here you can see multiple ringtone options. Now select according to your preference and tap on it. So this is how to change messenger ringtone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.